Hello students, now we are starting the problems on the fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. Already you know that meaning of the fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method, difference between fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method, and formats of accounts under those methods. So now we take the first problem, that is Samir and Yasmin are partners with capital of rupees 15 lakhs and 10 lakhs respectively. They are agreed to share the profits in the ratio of 3:2. Show how the following transactions will be recorded in the capital accounts of the partners in the case. First one, the capitals are fixed and the capitals are fluctuating. And the books of accounts are closed on the 31st March every year. Additional information about the Samir and Yasmin is given here. So particular Samir rupees, Yasmin rupees. Additional capital contributed on July 1st, 2018, 3 lakhs, Samir, and Yasmin rupees 2 lakhs. Interest on capital both are 5%. Drawings during the year 2018 and 19, 30,000, 20,000. Interest on drawings 1,800, 1,200. Salary, only Samir's salary is given here 20,000, not Yasmin's salary. Commission, both of them 10,000, 7,000. And share in loss for the year 2018 and 19, 60,000 and 40,000. This is all about the problem of Yasmin and Samir. Here, once again I'll dictate the problem. Samir and Yasmin are the partners. They are starting one partnership firm. Business it is, with the capital of rupees 15 lakhs and 10 lakhs respectively. Initial capital, opening capital they invested, Samir rupees 15 lakhs, Yasmin rupees 10 lakhs. And they agree to share profits in the ratio of 3:2. In this partnership firm, they earn profits only, not loss here. They earn the profit, and that profit is to be distributed in the ratio of 3:2. And now, show how the following transactions will be recorded in the capital accounts. Following transactions means these transactions. So, first transaction is additional capital. Samir 3 lakhs, Yasmin 2 lakhs. And that additional capital should be contributed on the date of July 1st, not April 1st here, July 1st. So, month should be considered for the interest on drawings. Interest on capital. Interest on capital 5%. Drawings during the 2018 and 19, 30,000 and 20,000. Interest on drawings they are given directly, not rate of interest on drawings, they are given directly 1,800 and 1,200. And salary 20,000 for the Samir only, and commission both of them 10,000, 7,000. Share in the loss for the year 2018 and 19, 60,000, 40,000. Next, we start the solution of this problem with the working note. Working note is for here calculation of interest on capital, because they given the rate, not directly amount, they given the rate of interest. That's why you should calculate the interest on capital on opening capital also and additional capital also. So here opening capital of Samir and opening capital of Yasmin, different is there, 15 lakhs and 10 lakhs respectively. And additional capital of Samir and Yasmin 3 lakhs and 2 lakhs respectively. So we should calculate the interest on both of them. Capital they invested on the opening time and initial time and additional capital. So next, start the solution. Working note first, calculation of interest on capital. First one on the opening, on the Samir's capital. On Samir's capital they invested opening capital also and additional capital also. And on the opening capital is 15 lakhs and rate of interest is 5%. Divided that 15 lakhs into 5 divided by 100, it is a rate of interest. So that amount of interest is 75,000 on 15 lakhs amount. And on additional capital, second calculation is on additional capital of Samir's. On additional capital of Samir is 3 lakhs. Rate is 5%, same. Rate is same here, but only the change is months. Here full year calculation is there, here only 9 months, because they invested on the month of July 1st. So from July to March, July to March becomes 9 months here in the year. That should be calculated as a 9 divided by 12. Here we not taken the months because it is a full 1 year calculation. But here only 9 months calculation is there. That's why you should calculate it for the 9 months. 9 divided by 12. 3 lakhs into 5 divided by 100, it is a rate. And this is a 9 divided by 12. It is a months. So calculation amount is rupees 11,250. It is the interest on additional capital of Samir. It is the interest on additional capital of Samir for the 9 months. So total interest on capital of Samir is rupees 86,250 and total interest on Yasmin's capital is 57,500. 57,500. It is the interest on capital calculation. How come this Yasmin's capital here? Calculation is there. On opening capital of Yasmin is 10 lakhs. Rate of interest 5% is for full year 50,000. On additional capital, it is for only 9 months. Additional capital of Yasmin is 2 lakhs. Rate of interest is 5% and for 9 months it is 7,500. And that calculation total becomes 57,500. So now start the preparing the accounts. First under fixed capital method. You know that fixed capital method have only 2 accounts, that is partners capital accounts and partners current account. Separately you have to prepare the partners capital account and partners current account in the fixed capital method. So now start the partners capital account by taking the capital balances. Under the fixed capital method, partners capital account have only 2 entries, that is opening capital balance and additional capital balance, and all the adjustments are treated in the partners current account, not in partners capital account. Only here partners capital account is for the capital entry, capital balance entry, and all the adjustments further entries in the partners current account it is. So now start the partners capital account by taking only the capital balance of both the partner. So capital is a credit balance. Capital account shows credit balance, that's why credit entry, that is by balance brought down. It is a opening capital balance. It is opening capital, initial capital it is. So opening capital, here they invested opening capital. Samir and Yasmin are the partner with the capitals of rupees 15 lakhs and 10 lakhs respectively. Respectively means here Samir 15 lakhs, Yasmin 10 lakhs. These are the opening capitals. They started the partnership firm with the 15 lakhs amount and with the 10 lakhs amount by the Samir and Yasmin. So these are the opening capital balances. So now take here opening capital of Samir column here. Samir's 15 lakhs and Yasmin 10 lakhs. This is opening capital balance. And one more entry is additional capital. Additional capital is here in the adjustment. Additional capital contributed on July 1st, 2018. Here additional capital is given. Samir 3 lakhs, Yasmin 2 lakhs. That should also you have to write here. By bank. By bank it is for additional capital. Additional capital. Samir has invested additional capital is rupees 3 lakhs and Yasmin 2 lakhs. Yasmin 2 lakhs. So over here only 2 entry about the capital you have to write in the partners capital account. So close down the accounts here. Next step is close down the accounts. 10 lakhs plus 2 lakhs. It is 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs. 15 lakhs plus 3 lakhs. 18 lakhs. 18 lakhs. This side also same entry, same amount you have to put there. Samir 18 lakhs, Yasmin 12 lakhs. And difference here, balance carry down, difference, full amount difference is here 18 lakhs and 12 lakhs. 18 lakhs and 12 lakhs. So this is a balancing figure. Balancing figure. So this is the partner's capital account under the fixed capital method. Only two entries, that is opening capital balance and additional capital balance. But treatment is by balance brought down for opening capital and by bank for additional capital, and put the amount as it is.